So this case study, guys, there was some teenager. And specifically, I don't remember his age. But listen to this careful. One day, he met a girl while he was traveling on the way. Holiday. So he met that day, and then they exchanged numbers. And then they exchanged Instagram, chatting quickly. So what happened is that boy, he felt helpless. And he messaged her, he said to her, you know what, I'm tired. Because can you imagine someone being awake every night, playing game and doing that? It eats your confidence, it eats your self-esteem, it eats even who you are, you don't even know. So he felt like he wanted to do suicide himself. He wanted to kill himself. So who did he communicate? He didn't communicate with adults, he didn't communicate with other kids. You know what he did? He messaged the girl. He said, hey, I hate my life. He said, text him on the Instagram. And then she said, why? I want to kill myself. You know what she said? You better do it now. Listen, guys, careful, this story is a real story, it's a case study. So the girl said, you better do it now. And he was in a car. And then he take, what was Asia called?
Carbon monoxide.
Yes. So he opened oxygen. I don't know, is it like something that if he put it on, he can die? So she was giving him direction how to kill himself. Actually, the evidence was in the text message that she was communicating with him in the chat room or whatever. She said to him, you better do it now. Why are you waiting? You don't have to be scared. Do it now. Because guess what? These days there is a tech, we call it tech, but there is a perfect way to get murder. It's not only people that killing each other, but texting, poisoning. So the boy said, how am I going to do it? I'm too scared. She gave him the best lecture ever. She said, you know what? I know a friend of mine, he did that. Why are you scared? You just want to go. Go for it. Now. Do it. He did it. Before he did it, she said to him, well, you need to delete the text message now before you do it. He deleted, but only one goodbye she was saying that the text message left. The boy died. The police came and they opened the car. They found this boy. He did suicide by himself. But remember, technology, you can find. Even if you lie to your parents, even if you lie to someone else, you bullying or someone else bullying you, they will always be found. So the boy, he passed away, but the police went back. They saw deleted. List of deleted. All the conversation. So they investigated. Guess what they found? This girl was absolutely killing him. No one can do it. So what do you have to do? By listening to this story, what do you have to do? Come here.
You have to be safe on the internet.
Okay, in order for you to be safe, how are you going to do it? You have to open up to your parents. This thing is not your family. Remember, your family, they love you unconditionally. They don't love this internet, the people that you chat, you don't know them. So be careful. There's so many case studies, guys. I cannot imagine. And why am I doing this? I've seen young people that are off the hook. So who can tell me, how do you make yourself safe?
Somebody that you know that is not safe to go on the internet, or put the, you know, if you have a box and it has a lock on, you can put your phone in there and never see it again.
That's a good decision. Can you hear that?
And you know when you have like a phone and you see to your friends or like Instagram or something like that.
And guess what? At this stage, she knows Instagram, she knows Snapchat. What does that tell you guys? It's no age restriction. If you don't help yourself or if you don't tell adults, you're going to go to that same thing to that boy. And I'm not wishing it for all of you guys. But technology is the destroyer. Thank you so much. It's the destroyer of your life. Yep. Is a question? Okay, come. I mean, yeah. Do you want to answer the question? Okay, come. It's my time.
You know when the police found out the boy died, did they did they find out it was the girl? Did they find the girl?
Yeah, that's why I didn't even finish, guys. What would you expect that girl deserve? Life prison. You joking. Do you know 15 months only in prison? 15 months only. Can you imagine that? And she committed murder, and you know what she said? Without touching someone, I call someone death. And only she got charged 15 months in prison. That's all. Okay? Exactly. So in your life, you don't want to be cheap. And you don't want to concern like, okay, I want to chat this person. I don't know, but I'm going to hide. I'm going to talk to this person. You don't even know. But how you can do a social interaction? All of you, I can see, most of you have siblings.